What if I told you that you could instantaneously transmit money to anyone in the world without the use of banks or any authority figures? It sounds like something from a science fiction film, doesn't it? No, it's not. It's known as cryptocurrency, and it's revolutionizing how we view money. However, how does it operate and what is it exactly? You'll be well versed in cryptocurrency by the end of this video, even if you're just getting started. Come on, let's get started. Hello everybody, the channel The Crypto World welcomes you. We're delving into the fascinating realm of cryptocurrency today. Perhaps you've heard of Dogecoin, Ethereum, or Bitcoin, or perhaps you're just interested in what all the commotion is about. You're at the correct place, either way. In an easy-to-understand manner, we will describe what cryptocurrency is, how it operates, and why it is so significant in this video. Let's get started then. Let's start by defining cryptocurrency. To put it simply, it is a form of digital currency. It only exists online, though, in contrast to the cash you keep in your wallet. Although you can't hold money in your hands, you may trade, invest, and purchase goods with it. The term crypto is derived from cryptography, which is a method of protecting data so that only those who need to know can access it. Because of this, cryptocurrencies are extremely secure and nearly impossible to counterfeit. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are among the most well-known. The amazing point is that there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies, each with unique features and applications. What is the real mechanism behind this digital currency, you ask? Blockchain is useful in this situation. Let's start with the definition of cryptocurrency. To put it simply, it is a form of digital currency. However, cryptocurrency only exists online, as contrast to the cash in your wallet or bank account. Although you can't hold money in your hands, you may trade, invest, and purchase goods with it. The term crypto is derived from cryptography, a method of protecting the privacy and security of data. Imagine it as a code that only the sender and the recipient can decipher. Because of this, cryptocurrencies are extremely safe and nearly impossible to hack or fake. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are among the most well-known. The most well-known cryptocurrency today is Bitcoin, which was the first to be developed. Conversely, Ethereum is well known for its smart contract, which are a type of autonomously operating digital agreement. Because it is quicker and less expensive to use, Litecoin is frequently referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. However, you might be surprised to learn that there are thousands of different types of cryptocurrencies. Each has special qualities and applications of its own. Some are made for quick transactions, some for privacy, and some even for particular sectors like healthcare or gaming. What is the real mechanism behind this digital currency, you ask? How can something that is exclusively available online be so dependable and safe? Blockchain is useful in this situation. Don't worry though, we'll go over that in the following section. The blockchain is the central component of cryptocurrencies. Consider blockchain as an electronic journal that logs each and every transaction. The wonderful thing is that this notebook isn't stored in a single location. Rather, it is distributed among thousands of computers worldwide. The blockchain keeps track of every cryptocurrency transaction that is sent or received. Additionally, it is nearly impossible to falsify or alter the records because so many machines exchange and validate it. Blockchain is extremely transparent and safe as a result. What is the process by which these transactions are added to the blockchain, you ask? This is where mining is useful. Miners solve challenging mathematical problems with the aid of powerful computers. Solving these puzzle-like issues aids in transaction verification and blockchain addition. A miner receives a tiny quantity of cryptocurrency as payment for solving a challenge, a digital gold rush perhaps. However, mining is not simple. It takes a lot of energy and processing power. To improve their chances of receiving rewards, miners frequently collaborate in groups. The blockchain is safe and functional because of this entire procedure. It guarantees that each transaction is precise and impenetrable. Therefore, you can rely on the system to keep everything safe and equitable, whether you're sending Bitcoin to a friend or making an online purchase. So, why do people utilize cryptocurrency? Let's divide it into three main causes. Cryptocurrency is decentralized in contrast to traditional money, which is governed by governments and banks. This implies that it is not under the jurisdiction of any one individual, business, or government. Rather, it is controlled by a global computer network. People now have greater financial independence and power as a result. 2. Speed and accessibility. accessibility. Even on weekends or holidays, you may send money to anyone, anywhere in the globe, in a matter of minutes using cryptocurrencies. Waiting for banks to open or paying for international transfers is not necessary. Anyone with an internet connection may use it, and it's quick and simple. 3. Investment. A lot of people believe that cryptocurrencies can help them increase their wealth. For instance, the value of Bitcoin has increased significantly over time. Because they believed in Bitcoin when it was still in its infancy, some early investors went on to become millionaires. The problem is that the value of cryptocurrencies might fluctuate greatly. Sometimes they might rise and fall in a matter of hours. Because of this, cryptocurrencies are both thrilling and dangerous. Because of this, it's crucial to exercise caution and only invest money you can afford to lose. Consider it this way. While Bitcoin can present a lot of opportunities, it is not a surefire means to generate income. Before beginning, always do your homework and be aware of the hazards. Now let's discuss some fascinating new developments in the cryptocurrency space. Although the cryptocurrency landscape is always evolving, the following are some current trends. 1. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. These are one-of-a-kind digital products such as tweets, music, or artwork. Consider them unique collectibles that you may purchase and trade using cryptocurrency. For instance, if someone makes a digital artwork, you can own the original as an NFT. 2. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is an alternative to banks for activities including lending, borrowing, and generating interest. DeFi employs blockchain-based smart contracts in place of traditional banks to make financial services more affordable, quicker, and available to everybody. Third, central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, are being developed by some nations. These resemble a hybrid of Bitcoin and fiat money. Although they are under government control, they use blockchain technology to speed up and safeguard transactions. The cryptocurrency space is teeming with opportunities and transforming our perceptions of technology, money, and even the arts. Being a part of this digital revolution is an exciting moment. Here's how you can get started if you're interested in cryptocurrencies. 1. Learn. Begin by learning the fundamentals and conducting research. You may learn how cryptocurrencies operate from a variety of free internet resources, including articles, videos, and courses. 2. Obtain a digital wallet. A digital wallet functions similarly to a cryptocurrency bank account. You will securely keep your cryptocurrency there. Wallets come in several forms. Some are apps that run on your phone, while others are physical devices that offer additional security. 3. Use a platform. You must use a platform or app in order to purchase, sell, or exchange cryptocurrencies. Coinbase, Binance, and other well-known ones are among them. Even if you're a novice, these platforms make it simple to get started. The most crucial thing, though, is to always be safe. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose, and keep your private keys safe. These are your crypto equivalent of passwords. Although cryptocurrency might be thrilling, it's crucial to exercise caution and make wise choices. That's it. You now understand the definition of cryptocurrency, its operation, and its significance. There are a lot of fascinating opportunities in the realm of cryptocurrency. Whether you want to use it, invest in it, or simply learn more. Thank you for viewing. Please remember to subscribe to your channel name for more videos like this one. Give this one a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you liked it. See you later.